All right, let's take a start. It's speaking part one. I'm going to ask you some questions and try to give short, to the point, crispy answers. Crispy
Right.
answer means answer the question directly, 2 to 3 sentences to elaborate your point and conclude your answer.
All
Okay,
right.
let's start. Do you like to wear special clothes,
Well, it
party wear,
depends.
and all that? Yeah.
Well, it depends on which occasion I'm going to wear the dress. Such as if I'm going to attend any wedding party, definitely I will wear some, latest designer dresses or some fancy dresses as well. Or if there is a party of like a birthday or some other type of occasions like that, definitely I will wear something, below to casual.
All right. Did you try any special costume when you were a child?
Many times, yes. Many times
I wore.
I wore special dresses, and I remember that when I was a child, I liked to wear maxis. So and fairy maxis were there. I wore many times. So these are some special dresses I like to wear
I like to wear in my
in my
childhood.
childhood.
Good.
Yes.
When was the last time you wore any special dress?
Well, recently I have attended the wedding of my cousin. At that moment, I wore sari, which is also called a traditional dress also in Pakistan. So I wore that special dress at
Okay,
that moment.
good. Did you ever buy special costumes or special dresses?
Many times. And recently, I bought my sari from J Dots, and there are some specific brands where I go to buy some dresses like that. So yes, I recently bought, and the cost of that dress is approximately 25,000. So I spend
I spent.
I spent that money on me because and a person always like to look gorgeous or look pretty in any function. So
All
I love to
right.
spend time
Very
or
good.
money.
That's fantastic. Now let's go
Thank you.
on. Please, it's your turn. Good. Yeah. Your topic is about wallet.
Okay.
So, do you use a wallet?
Yes, definitely. I use my wallet all the time because I keep my important things structured in my wallet. There are a lot of different sections in my wallet. Some are for cards and some are for money. So that's why I use
Yeah,
wallet
so I
most of.
use my wallet regularly and
Yeah.
it is an important part whenever I go outside. I keep it with me. Good job. Have you ever lost a wallet?
Uh, yes, 3 months ago, I came to visit to Islamabad for the first time to buy a laptop for myself. And when I was going in the metro bus, there was the place I lost my wallet, and I was quite terrible at that time. So that was the time I lost
Okay,
my
that was the only occasion
reason
when I
I.
lost my wallet. Have you ever sent a wallet to someone as a gift?
Uh, Yeah, it was the time when I came from abroad, and I have attended my one of
I
my
came from abroad and I attended,
and I
or
att-
I had to attend.
and I had and I attended my one of my friends' wedding.
Yeah, I had to attend one of my friend's wedding. On that occasion,
And that occasion, I gave a wallet to my friend as a gift.
or I say on that occasion, I gave a leather wallet. It was black to my friend as a gift, and he was very happy to receive that. Complete answer, okay? Do most of your friends use a wallet?
Yes, most of my friend use a wallet because they are as I mentioned earlier, most of my friend like me, they used to keep things structured and organized in order to have better places for that for the specific things
Okay, you
to.
need to add some more energy to your speaking and try to be attentive all the time so that you could give good answers,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Otherwise, they're fine, right?
Okay, thank
Let's go on, please. It's your turn. So, let's take a start. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani, and I like Karachi biryani. Uh, when
Very good, yeah. Whenever
in
I'm hungry, I always prefer to eat biryani.
biryani,
Yeah, or
uh,
you can use the word traditional food. Yeah.
yes, in our our
Okay, let's just go on. What is your favorite? Put the mic closer, please. Yeah, just like this. Yeah. So, what is your favorite restaurant?
my favorite restaurant is Namak Mandi, Peshawar, uh, in which we serve in every month mutton kadai.
I like it very much.
I like it
I
very much.
often go there with my friends.
Yes. When
Come on, come on. Whenever I go there, I enjoy. Just try to make some sentences, okay? All right, that's good. Do you prefer to eat at home or outside in the restaurants?
I prefer to food. I prefer to eat food in my home, either from the restaurant, because uh, my parents are present here, and
They make delicious
they
food
make
for
delicious
me.
food for me, and we all together eat
We
it,
all sit together and eat.
eat
We
together,
all sit together
sit together,
and
eat
eat.
together.
So, to answer your question, I prefer to eat at home. At the end, one sentence conclusion. To answer your question, I prefer to eat at home. Or to conclude, I love to eat at home. Like that, okay? So, just try to come out of this thing now. Be more confident and try to speak as much as possible.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
That's good. Thank you.